Alrighty guys, so we are back at the ginormous Diecast booth and got the $10 1/24ths right out front. Some very nice pretty ones. Definitely like how the guys kept these, but has definitely been able to kind of make his collection a little bit smaller from last year, so that's nice. Take a look at what we got. So much stuff. Got a nice Dale Earnhardt. Those are pretty. The old casting, body style castings. Ooh, nice pigs. Jeff Gordon sprint car. Ooh, no Jeff Gordon. That's cool. Ooh, got old Kevin Harvick camo, I think. Oh yeah, old real tree. That's pretty. Dale Earnhardt. Ooh, Petty Enterprises diecast. That's very nice looking. Hey, how are you doing?
How you doing?
Doing good. Alrighty, got some very nice 1/24ths. Oh, look at all the pennies. Those are pretty. Got a lot more racing. Kevin Harvick American, the Gatorade. Yep, the Dale Watcher. That's cool. $3, $100 collections. Mark Martin Hotness truck pots. Now that's interesting. Very cool. Ooh, we got some more. Got the very nice chrome Sitco car. Got, who's the, Dario, I'm not going to say that last name, but the 40 Fastenal Charger, that's pretty cool. Ooh, got the Diet Dew car. Clinton Boyer. Ooh, got an IROC. I can't read that signature there. Pretty cool. Oh, and got some of the newer diecasts. Got Eric Almirola in the 43. Got Chris Buescher when he was in the 37. That's a pretty scheme. Got, I believe that's going to be Bill Elliott in the 23 when he did the one-off race. Got a very pretty Ricky Stenhouse Jr. NASCAR. That one's for 40. Oh, even got Sean there. That's cool. 25 years, 25 winning years. That's a cool one. But that's a very pretty looking paint scheme. Like that. Looks good. Ooh, we got a few. What is that? I'm not sure what the size on that is, but that's much bigger. And these are all Daytonas or Plymouths. Bobby Allison, the City Dodge. That's actually the Coca-Cola scheme there. Got Ramos Stott, not sure who that is, but 7. Buddy Baker, Pete Hamilton, Bobby Isaac, Norman Nelson. But these are all the Plymouths and Daytonas. That's cool. I don't see a price on those, but that's very. Ooh. And then we got some throwback I'm going to say that's Warburton GTX. That is a pretty car. Let's see if I can take a look at that real quick. Ooh, take a look at that. Look at that. I always like those Caterpillar paint schemes. Those things are beautiful. Very nice.
I was trying to figure out. I just realized that Bill Elliott and Chase Elliott both have the same number. They both raced the 9.
Yep.
Somehow that escaped me.
That's why Hendrick bought the 9. That's also why Junior got the 9.
I missed that.
Yep. That's also his 23 Xfinity car that he raced for a one-off. Over there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, got some little Coca-Cola Diecast, number 94. Those are pretty cool to see. In nice shape too. Got a bunch of different diecast out there. Looks pretty cool. Squeezing on by. Oh, Toyota Camry stock car, pace car. That's neat.
Signed by somebody.
Yeah. We also got a piece of sheet metal right here. I'm not sure who that would be from, but that's cool. That's cool. Got some different haulers and stuff. Oh, those things are so cool. Yep, got a Ryan Newman one. So there's Kurt Busch, Rich Petty, obviously, and John Andretti. That's cool. That's cool. Nice. Ooh, and then we got Dale Waltrip in the 164 1995. That's pretty neat. And we got some racing shirts, I think. Yeah, different ones. Next to Cup Series jacket, Pennzoil. Oh, yep, and the Terry Labonte still there. That's cool. Nice. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. He was definitely able to get a lot of his collection sold, because that's a lot less than he had last year, so that's kind of good for him not to have to store as much. But still, that's a lot of cool diecasts. And here we go, guys. So a Car of Tomorrow diecast. Always fun to see those. Then got some, got Tyler Reddick there. GameStop. That's pretty neat. Oh, got the green 24 truck. Have a history with that one. That is such a cool truck. Like those. Then got a few of the newer Authentics out there. Ooh, got a new Bubba Wallace one. That's interesting. Got a Paul Menard 21 Quake Estate. And a gold Kevin Harvick Mobile 1. That's cool. Nice. Oh, and we also got one of the Micro Machines. That's pretty neat. Always like seeing those too. Then, not sure who the Supercuts is, but that's a pretty paint scheme. Seem to remember something about that paint scheme, but that's neat.